If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can manage artboards in Photoshop within the Layers panel. To select an artboard in Photoshop, click the artboard's name in the Layers panel. To expand and collapse the artboard's content in the Layers panel, click the arrow to the left of its name. When expanded, you manage the layer content within the artboards as usual. To toggle the visibility of the artboard on or off, click the Indicates Layer Visibility button, which looks like an eye icon, at the left end of the artboard's layer in the Layers panel. Like Layers, to rearrange the order of the artboards in the Layers panel, click and drag an artboard layer, and then release it into the desired order above or below the other artboards in the Layers panel. Doing this doesn't change the artboard's position within the canvas. To change the properties of an artboard in Photoshop, click it to select it in the Layers panel or by using the Artboard tool. Then change the properties that appear in the Properties panel. To select an artboard preset size, select a choice from the Set Artboard to Preset dropdown. The artboard's width and height appear in the W and H fields in the Properties panel, which you can change by entering new size values as needed. You may need to swap these values if you add an artboard using an artboard preset designed for a vertical orientation to a Photoshop document that contains a default horizontal orientation, or vice versa. To swap the values, click the Make Landscape or Make Portrait button in the Options bar control panel when the Artboard tool is selected. Alternatively, to rotate an artboard 90 degrees, select the artboard layer in the Layers panel, and then select Edit, Transform from the menu bar, and select the desired 90-degree rotation from the side menu of choices that appears. Note you may need to move the artboard after rotating it, though. To change a selected artboard's position within the Photoshop Documents canvas, either use one of the methods of moving a selected artboard when the Artboard tool is activated, as shown in the previous lesson titled How to Create Artboards in Photoshop, or change the values in the X and Y coordinate fields in the Properties panel. These values are measured from the upper left corner of the document's canvas. To change the background color for a selected artboard, select a new color choice from the Artboard Background Color dropdown in the Properties panel. To rename an artboard, double-click its name in the Layers panel, type a new artboard name, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm its new name. To immediately delete an artboard and all its content in Photoshop, click and drag the artboard layer from the Layers panel, and then drop it onto the Delete Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Alternatively, to show a deletion prompt which lets you choose whether to delete the artboard and its contents, or cancel the deletion instead, select the artboard, click the Delete Layer button, and then click to select your choice of what to delete in the confirmation prompt that appears. To ungroup an artboard and move its content up one level within the layer hierarchy shown in the Layers panel, select the artboard to ungroup in the Layers panel. Then select Layer, Ungroup Artboards from the menu bar. If you delete or ungroup the last remaining artboard in a Photoshop document containing artboards, the Photoshop document automatically becomes a non-artboard document. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.